In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Bars Pattern Tool in Tradingview. This tool is perfect when you want to copy a segment of past price action and visually compare it to what the market is doing now. It's quick, it's intuitive, and it helps you spot repeating structures or momentum shifts at a glance. Start on your chart in Tradingview. On the left-hand toolbar, look for the Forecasting and Measurement toolset. It's usually the second icon from the top and often shows a small pattern-style symbol. Click it to open the menu, then choose Bars Pattern. You'll know it's active when your cursor changes and you see a selection guide on the chart. If the menu is collapsed, hover for a moment to expand it and make sure you've picked Bars Pattern, not one of the other forecasting tools. Next, select the data you want to copy. Move your cursor to the exact starting bar of the price move you are interested in. Click once to set that start. Then slide your mouse to the right, covering as many bars as you want to include. As you move, Tradingview will highlight the section so you can see exactly what's being captured. When you reach your desired end bar, click again. A clean, precise selection matters here. So if needed, zoom in before selecting to ensure your start and end bars are exactly where you want them. As soon as you finish the selection, Tradingview creates a copy of those bars. You can immediately drag that copy to another part of the chart, most commonly over the current price action. Position it near the area you want to compare so you can see how the old pattern lines up with the present. You are looking for similarities in swing highs and lows, the rhythm of pullbacks and the pace of the move, not a perfect point-for-point match. Finally, refine the positioning. Click on the copied pattern to select it, then drag it carefully to align the key pivots with current structure. Small adjustments can make a big difference in clarity. What you are after is a visual analogy. Does the sequence of pushes and retracements resemble what's unfolding now? Remember, the Bars Pattern tool doesn't predict price. It mirrors the shape and timing of a past segment so you can quickly gauge whether market behavior is echoing a previous phase. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.